Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create your own logo for your fast food business. Now we need to get first to what we need to do a fast food what we need to do to make a fast food logo. First of all, I think every one of us need to get an inspiration. So what we do is we click on Google, go and write fast food logos. As you can see, there is a bunch of fast food logos. There are some simple ones and there is some ones that are pretty complicated. For this tutorial, I'm going to make a simple one, a really quick one. For example, let's first of all head into Google Chrome or whatever browser and click on food PNG logo. Just like so. You can, for example, choose this one and drag it to your Photoshop. Make sure you are zooming in and try to remove all the white stuff in the picture. Just like so, we are done with it. Now let's say that you are not in need of all of this stuff. Let's remove the extra stuff that you are not needing of, because you are going to rename this logo. Let's cut it out and let's click on this. Let's make sure that you are removing every single thing, just like so, and we removed it. Now let's click on new, click on let's make it on here, and then let's drag this one to our project. Let's make it bigger. Let's convert it first as a smart object, and let's make it a little bit bigger. Now we need something like, for example, if you have a name, you can just type it in here. For me, I don't have really a fast food name, so I'm gonna choose something like food names. Let's make it a sandwich. Pretty simple, right? But yeah, we're gonna use it in this tutorial. Now let's grab this here and let's grab a text and write sandwich. Let's make it smaller. Let's drag a rectangle in here. Let's make it at the same color as this effect, our logo that we dragged before. And this sandwich, we drag it above and we make it white, as you can see. After doing so, let's make it like that. Okay, now let's add a circle. Try to make it below them and try to fit everything in the circle. Something like so will work good. Let's make it a little bit longer from here, look good from here, something like that from here, and this sticker shall be in black, for example, or something like that will work. And then go again, let's grab some picture. You can grab your restaurant picture and drag it inside the Photoshop, but I don't have a restaurant, of course. I'm gonna choose to grab something from Google. We can do something like that and do it behind it. Let's create clipping mask and make it fade like that, and let's add a stroke around the circle. As you can see, not overlay, stroke. And now if we remove this background, here is your first simple logo using Photoshop. Of course, this one is not really perfect because we used some stuff, and it is like a quick logo that you can make it at 5 minutes. If you want something more specific or more complicated, you can watch other videos in our channel that has more time and more details to stuff like that. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.